Hey, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Have you ever heard of sandblasting? If you haven't, don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're going to do a video where we're talking about sandblasting, what it is, and how it works. Stay tuned. What is sandblasting? So sandblasting is a cleaning process using compressed air to shoot abrasive against the surface of many different materials in order to remove corrosion, oxidation, prep the surface for paint or powder coat, or even remove coatings. Using dry blast, you can use any abrasive like aluminum oxide or glass bead. Glass bead's usually good for polishing. Aluminum oxide or silicon carbide is essential for prepping a coating, removing coatings, removing oxidation, any contaminants off of the surface of metal. At Vapor Honing Technologies, we have a full line of machines that you can get in dry blast. Everything down from a Sandblast 800 cabinet all the way up to a Sandblast 4000. We've got the solutions that are going to work best for your application, so just let us know what you need. There are two types of dry blast cabinets that we manufacture. One is a siphon, where it's pulling the abrasive up into the cabinet. The other is a pressure pot. Between the two, the pressure pot's going to give you the most power, it's going to give you the best pressure, and it's going to give you the best results. There are two features that come with these cabinets. You can get a dust collector, which is going to help remove the dust from the air inside the cabinet. It's going to essentially give you a better view of the parts that you're blasting. The other thing is a reclamation system. It recycles your media by pulling out the dust and broken down particles and allowing you to keeping only sharp abrasive in use inside your cabinet, which reduces the waste of the abrasive. If you're unsure if you need a dry blast cabinet, wet blast cabinet, or even parts washers, give us a call, let us know. We can do free sample testing. You can reach us at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much for watching.